So this is part 2 of the footwell lighting. I did not do any coding on it, or I didn't show you a video of the coding. You can pretty much look anywhere online, and you'll be able to see what you have to go through. I think it's bit 17 and bit 20 and Central Electronics. But under your gauge cluster, if you go down to lights and convenient, go to footwell lighting. You can either turn it off completely, which as you can tell there's no more light, or it's back on. I have mine set to 20%, which is the lowest that it will go. And I don't know if it's because of the LEDs that I have in it. It is a little brighter than I would like. Let me show you what it looks like as I keep hitting it up. It only goes up 5%. That is 50%. Now, like I said, this is a little brighter on the phone than it is in person, but let me go all the way to 100%. It's way too bright to be driving like that at nighttime. That is 100%. So for me, and at least with these LEDs, I'm going to stick on 20% because it's on the phone, it looks bright, but it's actually, I wish it would go just a little bit dimmer. So this is the end of part 2. I also I coded out the error message for the, sorry that there's a glare. I coded out the error message for the LED tag lights, and I also did windows down and up with my key fob, and I'll show you the last thing that I did. Hold on one second. So with this, I did the gauge cluster sweep. Now with these footwell lightings, I did forget to mention one thing. These work completely as if they were factory. So they come on if you didn't have them on all the time, or during the day when the headlights are not on. They will come on if you open the doors or if you turn the headlights on that way. So other than the harness being not wired correctly, it really wasn't a bad mod to do. It just was a little bit time consuming, and once you learn that the fuse panel needs to come out to be able to get to the body control module, it was way easier. So I ended up having to switch the wires around, and it works now. So I'm in touch with the company. Hopefully they'll reimburse me some money. I shouldn't have had to modify their harness that I paid the money that I did for. So thanks again for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment below.